ChainGPT, CGPT, has shown signs of a potential reversal after a sharp decline pushed the token toward the lower Bollinger Band support zone near 0.018. The token has since stabilized and climbed back above the mid-band level, reaching 0.028 in recent trading sessions. This movement suggests that buyers are stepping back into the market, defending key support levels and signaling a possible shift in sentiment. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, has crossed above its signal line, a technical indicator that often precedes bullish momentum. With the RSI now at 50.07, CGPT appears to be regaining strength after a period of selling pressure. While the token is still below its recent peak near 4 cents, the recovery from the lower Bollinger Band indicates that traders are accumulating at these levels, which could support a more sustained rally. The recent price action shows that CGPT has been consolidating for several sessions before posting a gain of more than 7% in a single trading day. This suggests that demand is increasing, and buyers are starting to control the trend after a period of dominance by sellers. The ability to hold above the mid-band level is a positive sign, as it indicates that the token is no longer in a strong downtrend. However, the market remains cautious, and the price is still far from its peak. The next key level to watch is whether CGPT can maintain its position above 0.028 as a failure. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. To do so could trigger renewed selling. If the token can hold above this level, it could open the door for a more significant move toward 3 cents and beyond. The broader market structure also suggests that CGPT is in a consolidation phase following a strong rally in May that pushed the token toward 4 cents. After reaching this level, sellers stepped in and drove the price down, but buyers have since returned to defend the lower Bollinger Band. This pattern is typical of assets that are in a transitional phase, where traders are assessing whether the price can sustain a higher level. The RSI signal line crossing above its signal line is a key development that could indicate a shift in momentum. Typically, when the RSI crosses above its signal line, it suggests that buying pressure is increasing and that the asset may be entering a new upward trend. However, it's important to note that the RSI alone is not enough to confirm a reversal. Price action must also confirm this movement. In this case, CGPT has shown some confirmation through its recent gains and ability to hold above the mid-band level. The next signal to watch is whether the token can break out above 3 cents, as this would indicate that the buyers have fully taken control of the trend. If CGPT can maintain this level and continue to post gains, it could potentially reach 4 cents and beyond. However, if the price starts to consolidate again or shows signs of weakness, it could signal that the buying pressure is not strong enough to push the token higher. The broader market context is also worth considering. ChainGPT is part of a broader group of assets that have been showing signs of stabilization after a period of volatility. Other projects like Superverse, Super, and Synthetix, SNX, are also showing similar patterns of consolidation and potential recovery. This suggests that the market may be entering a phase where assets that have been oversold are beginning to attract renewed interest. However, the crypto market is known for its volatility, and any movement in CGPT could be influenced by broader market conditions. Traders should closely. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Monitor the price action around 0.028 and 3 cents, as these levels could serve as key turning points. If CGPT can maintain its position above 0.028 and continue to show strength, it could indicate that the buyers are in control and that the token is on track for a more sustained rally. If the price starts to consolidate again or shows signs of weakness, it could indicate that the buying pressure is not enough to push the token higher. The next key signal to watch is whether CGPT can break above 3 cents and hold that level, as this would be a strong indication that the buyers have taken control and that the token is on track for a more significant move.